An exclusive commentary on the Goa Panchayat Raj at 1994 and Jilla Panchayat Rules अशा 2 खंडांच्या पुस्तकांचे बुधवारा लोकार्पण जालें. ह्या सुवाळ्याक यूडी मंत्री फ्रांसिस डिसोजा हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I have a very efficient members of the staff who have really helped me in this particular journey. I have my wife who always stands by me, solid as a rock. And if it was not for her, I don't think, because it is the time of my kids that I have to sacrifice. It is the time that I could devote to my wife that I have to sacrifice for this book. But I'm happy today that the book is out. I may have made mistakes, I'm certainly made mistakes. There will be errors, there will be lots of things. The law may have even changed on various aspects. Plus, I hope you will condone me for that. I once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank the Minister for Urban Development, Francis D'Souza, who has been otherwise very, very dear and dear to me. In fact, even when I needed the office in Mopsa, Comunidad Goa, he is the one who helped me to get an office.
At some level, we can be called Guru Bhai. His guru, Advocate A.M. D'Souza, was associated with my father as an associate. So both of us come from the same office, you can say. There is an incident I would like to share with respect to Benny. I joined the profession around 20 years back. In that time, Benny had also started about 2-3 years or 4 years prior to me. At that time, there was a thing called filing amended plaint. The lawyer friends could understand it. When you amend your plaints, the defendant gets an opportunity to file an additional written statement. And if your written statement is not ready, your defense always is, I have not been furnished with a copy of the amended plaint.
This achievement does not come overnight. It is not a lottery. It is a combination of sheer hard work, dedication, and a lot of sacrifices. As my friend Sachin has already said, all of you all here have heard so many words from so many beautiful speakers. All what I can say is, and all what I want to say is, please put your hands together once again.
We'll all once again congratulate Benny for his hard work, dedicated work and sincere work for the cause of the advocate fraternity. Thank you. I also thank you for inviting me and giving me this privilege of releasing this book. I never knew it was 2 big volumes. It reminded me of the Motor Vehicles Act. It used to come in volumes. I didn't know Panchayat Act would also have 2 volumes. I thought it was a small bag which was there when my time was there. But now it has turned out to huge 2 volumes. So just imagine how many pages he had to compile and edit and then bring it for releasing. So friends, I would once again congratulate him